Consulting sightseeing information.
Dialogue 1.
Are there any bus tour in the city?
Certainly, we have a one-day tour and a half-day tour.
Can I have a copy of the route map and schedule?
Sure, here you are.
I'd like to take a one-day tour. Does it include the admission to the park and museum?
Yes, it includes all expenses, only meals will be at your own cost.
Do you think I can visit all of those places in one day?
No, you can't if you want to take a good look.
Dialogue 2.
What kind of tour do you have?
What kind of tour would you like?
Is there a sightseeing bus tour?
Yes, we have many kinds.
Where can I book a sightseeing tour?
Just step to the next window.
Do you have yours every day?
All day except for Sundays.
Do you have a half-day tour?
No, all the tour we have take all day.
Buying tickets.
Dialogue 1.
How much is the ticket?
$20 for adults and $10 for children.
What about for student?
It is $10 too.
To tickets for students, please.
Please show me your certificates first.
Well, we just forget to take them with us.
I'm afraid you can't buy half-price tickets without showing certificates.
Can't we?
No, you must buy the tickets for adults.
Dialogue 2.
How much is the tickets?
It's $10 for adults and $6 for children under 12 years old.
2 for adults and 3 for children. By the way, how much does it cost to ride roller coaster?
$5.
Then 5 tickets for roller coaster.
You have to buy them inside.
Oh, all right.
Here are your tickets.
Thank you.
Taking pictures.
Dialogue 1.
Excuse me, madam, would you mind taking a few pictures for us?
Sure, just stand over there.
Can you get the whole square in?
Move back a little bit, now to the left. There, that's perfect. Say cheese, good.
Thanks. Could you take me one more shot, please?
I can't get it focused.
Just push the button on the front under the lens, it should zoom in.
Got it.
Could you snap a picture for us next to this sign?
You've got it. Move in a little closer there, friends. Don't squint.
Thanks for everything.
Dialogue 2.
Look, the sun is rising.
What a beautiful sight.
I have never seen such a beautiful sight. Take pictures, please.
Well, please just stand there. I will take a picture for you.
Can you take the sun into the picture?
Of course, it is just beside you. Are you ready?
Ready.
1 to 3, okay.
Thank you.